I'm Carrie Jaffier, owner of the GoodieBox Bakeshop in Hoboken, New Jersey. Today, we're going to make swirly cupcakes. What you want to do is take your favorite cake batter that's vanilla, or you could even use white cake batter. Whatever your favorite recipe is, works wonderfully. So you'll separate it into 3 different bowls. You're going to color 2 of the bowls with any color of your choice. Today we're going to use gel food coloring, but any traditional liquid food coloring would work just fine as well. So I'm just using a little tip of gel food coloring because a little bit goes a long way with gel. And I'm just going to stir it into the batter and make it a nice pink color. Once the gel coloring is fully incorporated, you want to color your next bowl. Now the next one will make green. And if you want to intensify the colors, of course, just use a little bit more food coloring. So first you're going to take a spoonful of your vanilla cake batter and put it in each cupcake compartment. You want to try to make the amounts uniform. Next, you're going to take your colored cake batter. We'll start with pink. So you're going to take a dollop of pink cake batter and put it in each tin. Next, the green. You can do it with orange and blue, green and yellow, whatever theme tickles your fancy. The swirl just comes out wonderful. So once you have all of your batter in your tins, you can use a toothpick, a knife. I'm using a chopstick. I think you get a little bit more drag when you're swirling the cupcake. You want to hold your cupcake wrapper in place and just swirl around your batter. And here you have your swirly cupcake batter. Next, we're going to bake it at 350 degrees for about 24 minutes on the middle rack in your oven. Now every oven is a little different. You may need to add or take away a minute, but 25 minutes is a good ballpark. And that's how you make swirly cupcakes. I'm Carrie Jaffier, owner of the GoodieBox Bakeshop in Hoboken, New Jersey. If you want to find out more about our delicious home-style goodies, you can go to www.goodieboxbakeshop.com. And remember, good things come from those who bake.